Adding molding can really dress up a project, but getting tight-fitting mitered corners can be tough. Here's a method that makes it easy. Instead of cutting all the pieces to length, start by cutting oversized pieces for all the sides, making them a couple of extra inches long. Set the first piece in position, and then mark and cut the miter on one end. Then position that piece with the miter at the appropriate corner. Be sure to align the corner carefully, then mark the other end. Now you can miter this end to fit using a miter saw or a miter box. When you cut, take care to align the blade carefully so you just leave your layout mark. After cutting, put this piece in place and use it to fit the next one. Just start by cutting the miter on the end that fits against your first piece of molding. Hold the second piece in place against the first piece, making sure that you line up the corner tightly. Then you can mark the other end and cut it to fit. Now just continue to work your way around the project, marking and fitting each piece the same way. It's a good idea to have an extra piece or two of molding on hand in case you make any cutting mistakes or you end up with any gaps. Fitting molding this way takes a bit more time, but the tight-fitting, good-looking moldings you'll end up with are well worth it.